How to use moringa leaves for weight loss. Moringa leaves are one of the most powerful natural plants that can support healthy weight loss. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that help boost metabolism, reduce hunger, and support fat burning in the body. When used correctly, moringa leaves can help you gradually lose excess weight while still nourishing your body. The first simple way to use moringa leaves for weight loss is by making moringa leaf tea. Take a handful of fresh moringa leaves and wash them thoroughly with clean water. After washing, place the leaves in a pot and add about 2 cups of water. Allow it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. As the leaves boil, their nutrients will slowly infuse into the water. After boiling, strain the liquid into a cup and allow it to cool slightly. Drink this tea early in the morning on an empty stomach. Drinking moringa tea in the morning helps activate your metabolism and supports the body in burning stored fat throughout the day. You can drink this tea once in the morning and once again in the evening before dinner. If you prefer, you may add a small amount of lemon juice to improve the taste and also support digestion. Another powerful way to use moringa leaves for weight loss is by making moringa leaf powder. Start by collecting fresh moringa leaves. Wash them well and spread them in a clean shaded area to dry. Do not dry them directly under strong sunlight because too much heat can reduce some of the nutrients in the leaves. Allow the leaves to dry for a few days until they become completely crisp. Once they are fully dried, grind them into a fine powder using a blender or grinding stone. Store the powder in a clean, dry container. Every morning, take 1 teaspoon of moringa powder and mix it into a glass of warm water. Stir it well and drink it before breakfast. This method helps control appetite and prevents overeating during the day. Moringa powder is also known to help stabilize blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is stable, the body experiences fewer cravings for sugary foods and unhealthy snacks. This makes it easier to maintain a healthy diet and support gradual weight loss. Another effective method is to add moringa leaves to your meals. Fresh moringa leaves can be added to soups, stews, sauces, and vegetable dishes. Because moringa leaves are very nutritious and low in calories, they help you feel full without adding excess calories to your diet. For example, you can chop a handful of fresh moringa leaves and add them to vegetable soup. Allow them to cook for about 5 minutes before removing the pot from the fire. This way, the nutrients remain strong and beneficial. Eating meals that contain moringa leaves helps reduce hunger and improves digestion, both of which are very important for healthy weight management. Another simple remedy is moringa and warm water detox drink. Take 1 teaspoon of moringa powder and mix it into a glass of warm water. Add a few drops of lemon juice if you like. Drink this mixture about 30 minutes before your main meal. This drink helps prepare the digestive system and reduces the amount of food you feel like eating. Over time, this can help reduce excess calorie intake. Moringa also supports weight loss because it helps remove toxins from the body. When the body releases stored toxins, the digestive system works more efficiently and fat metabolism improves. However, it is important to understand that moringa alone cannot magically reduce weight if healthy habits are not followed. For the best results, combine moringa use with simple healthy lifestyle practices. Drink enough water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated. Try to eat balanced meals that include vegetables, fruits, and natural foods. Avoid excessive sugary drinks, processed snacks, and late-night eating, as these habits can slow down weight loss progress.